Hello friends, welcome to our channel. We eat and always bring comfort for our clients, whether it is called as service or help client to reach us more easily and make their visit hassle-free. In today's topic, we are taking you for a quick tour of our website so that you can get all our announcements, latest offers, and also most importantly online appointments at one place. Before starting the tour, I would like to inform you, we are also launching Android applications soon for our clients so that you can book online, manage your own profile, see your billings, and many more. So, let's get started with today's tour. To reach our salon website, you just have to go to Google or any browser and type www.unisexsalon.com and press enter. Here is our website home screen. This is our salon branding. As we scroll down, here is our story. Scroll down more, you can see our latest offer. So this is the place where you can see all our latest offers and you can book your offer from this Book Now button. Our media, testimonials, benefits to join Eden, you can explore all benefits here. And here is the Contact Us form. If you have any query to ask, you can fill up the form and submit. So, friends, we again go back to the top of this page to show you other menu options. So, our next option is services. Here you can see categories of our services: makeup, hair, and skin. Let me show you contents of the categories. You just scroll down and see. So, our next is appointment menu, which you all must be waiting to see. Let's click on it. So here is our appointment page. In this tab, type your name, your phone number, select appointment date, appointment time, select Use service. You can select multiple services. You can scroll up to see your cart to review your selections and press confirm button. Wait for some time to get one-time password on your phone number. Once you get the password, enter and submit it. And here your appointment is booked. You will receive a confirmation message for the same. Next is offer menu, which I showed you on the home screen. Franchise menu. If you want to open Eden Unisex Salon in your city, you can go to this menu, fill up the form, and apply. Same as for the career menu. If you need a job, this page is for you. Fill up your details and apply for the job. Next is Locate Us menu. Here you can find our details to reach us. Next is our social media platform links: Facebook, Instagram, our YouTube channel. You can just click to these icons to reach our social platforms. Last but not the least is chat box. Click on this WhatsApp icon and you chat with us anytime you need us. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will help you to reach us more easily. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you would not miss our next video.